So this is euro dollar analysis for Wednesday, the 21st of February. Now, let's have a look at 11 prices and where prices may likely go. So, previously we saw prices head up towards that 25.50. We saw pretty strong buy sell side momentum taking us through to 125, all the way down towards this 24.50, was it? Just bear with me a second here. Let's have a quick look. It was 24.50, yes. It was 24.50. We didn't see much of a reaction. We've had prices come down towards the 400 period moving average, had a mild reaction. From there, we saw sell side momentum taking us through the 23.62, where we did have some consolidation previously. Could potentially have held the support. We did not hold the support. So instead, what we did see was a breakdown after a brief period of consolidation below this 23.62 at the confluence of the 200 period moving average. Currently, we are into a bit of a, we do appear to be slowing down a bit here in a small mini range. Could be due to the fact that we're outside of major market hours of the US or the European session. But what we have seen is a test of the 200 period moving average from underneath, and we have not seen the follow through so far. If we did see the sell side momentum continuation to the downside, we'll be looking for price head down towards that 22.87, from which we could potentially see buy side momentum as we did here before a likely news related event, as indicated by this very large candle. Just there, we've had a brief sell-off down towards that 22.87, from which we did see the buy side momentum come back in the market. So we look at this level for a potential double bottom here for a further upside continuation. And if we were to see a retracement down towards a 22.87 for a move back up towards a 23.62 without a confluence of the 200 period moving average, may act as resistance, so we might see a pullback before seeing further upside continuation. We do have to be aware, though, of the 400 period moving average pretty close by, sitting in around the 23.80. Successful break from which we'll look at a price head up towards that 24.50, and a break from there we'll look at a price head up to that 125 level. If, however, we're not able to also support at 22.87, we'll be looking for price head down towards that 22.23. Just bear with me a second here. Beyond 22.23, we've got 21.78, and I wouldn't anticipate prices moving beyond, say, the 21.78 if we were to head down there. But we do have quite a bit of support here in around 22.23 and 22.87. So with that said, let's just have a look at the couple of higher time frames here, just to see how prices are developing on the euro dollar. So if we head over to the 4-hour chart, let's just see where we are. We've got the scale on there correct. So as we can see, I'll just coming to this for our charts. There we are. We did our support holding there. Over here again, holding a support. 21.78 holding a support over here as well, showing the importance of these levels where we've had swings in the market previously, further highlighting the importance of these levels and their relevance to current prices. So we head over to the daily chart here on the euro dollar before wrapping up. On the euro dollar, what we can see here is after a period of consolidation, we've had a break to the upside above these 120.23, 120.92, sorry. And what we did see was this move upwards towards our 125, which would have likely been a psychological level. So what we have seen is sell side momentum come back into the market. We come towards the 125, made a higher high, but in fact we weren't able to have a meaningful close above the 125 level. What we have seen is further sell side momentum coming into this market. Pretty strong candles from the first sell-off candle here and this third candle here. Candle closing here is lows, indicating further strong sell side momentum in the market. So we will potentially looking for prices come down towards that 22.23. This area before we found support previously. We'll see our price react when we do get down there, and we have mentioned levels that we are looking at if we do see a break below the 122.23. And with that said, even though it's somewhat a bit of a counter trend move at present, even though the higher time frame trend is to the upside, we do appear to have encountered resistance, so we do look poised for further retracement on the euro dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.